Throughout the course of this school year, I have been taking my weekly nature photos next to the GDS High School field in this area shown. It was very interesting to see the different changes that occurred over this 28-week period and how the seasonal changes in weather affected my spot. One of the things I noticed in the images were the different clouds. Nimbostratus and cumulonimbus clouds can be seen in the images, especially during weeks when it was rainy or snowy, because these clouds produce precipitation. When there was snow on the ground in my spot, the albedo noticeably increased by a lot. The field where these photos were taken is a very open space. Sunlight shines down unobstructed by trees onto my spot, so when it snowed, the light was almost blinding because the albedo became much higher, meaning light was reflected back off the ground much more rather than being absorbed. Because the area where I took the pictures was urban, the snow melted fast, which is partially due to air pollution that is more prominent in cities. Cities are industrialized and have a lot more vehicles constantly driving around, which leads to more pollution like particulate matter and black carbon. These pollutants cause snow to melt fast by sticking to it and decreasing its albedo. Another interesting aspect of the photo has to do with the ivy growing at the bottom of both of the main trees. This is an example of competition, as both species are competing for the same water and nutrients, and they therefore have a negative impact on each other. I enjoyed doing this project over the course of the year, and I learned a lot from seeing how what we learned applies in a real life example.